Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. It's Khen, and today I will share with you how I have painted on a wooden chopper board. Okay, so here it is, you can see, and today I will show you the tutorial. So guys, for this what you need only some Febric Colour, and you need one varnish, brushes, water, one chopper board. That's it. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started. If anyone want to purchase this, then please follow me in my Instagram, and there you can contact me for this purchase.
Guys, first of all, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it. So guys, here I have taken this wooden chopper board and I have taken that Febric Colour, water, brushes. Okay, now the thing is, I will mix the color whatever I will use on that chopper board. You can see that color was red. Okay, so here I will use red color, but I have to use a pinch of white color because this chopper board have some black color on it. So first of all, I have taken some pinch of white color, and then in maximum ratio I have taken this red color. Okay, then I will mix that color by using brushes, and I have given few drops of water on it. Okay, so guys, the thing is, when I will color on that wooden chopper board, it will not be like one coated. Okay, because if you put only one coat, then it will not be that much prominent. You can see that straight line on the wooden chopper board, like you can see that wooden color also. Okay, so for that reason only I have thinking that I will put 3 coat on it. Okay, so whenever I will put one coat, that time I have to wait 24 hours to dry this chopper board. Okay, I have used sunlight to dry this color. Okay, and whenever it will be dried, after that I will put the second coat, and then in next I will put the third coat. Okay, so guys, here I am using this Febric Colour. If you want, you can use the wooden color also. To get the same color in everywhere, you have to change your brush direction. Like if you used first the brush in like down to upwards, then in the next time you have to use like left to right. That time if you used that brush and if you change the brush direction, then you will get even tone of color. And after that I have writing here with white Febric Colour. Okay, so guys, when you will write, you have to make sure that you are using your favorite brush. Like if you want to write some bold words, that time you have to use thick brushes, but if you want to write some small words like in thin line, that time you have to obviously use some thin brush. Like here I am using 000 brush because this is my favorite brush. I can use that easily, and that is my comfort zone, so that I am using this 000 brush. So guys, here I will write something. Wow, see the color of the water. It's like so much amazing color. Okay, you can see here I am making some calligraphy, you can say. This is I am doing for the kitchen. Here I will write like Mom's Cafe, 24 hours open. here I am using some values, like here I am drawing some cooking tools so that it will looks like it's made for only the kitchen. So guys, after finishing the calligraphy writing, I have to again put this wooden chopper board in the sunlight for drying. And whenever it will be dried, that time I will spray some varnish. And also guys, you can use this wooden varnish also on it. After vernishing, again you have to leave this chopper board for 24 hours. And only then it will be ready to use. So guys, yeah, this is the final look you can see. And also guys, please let me know in the comment section how it was, if you like this video or not, if you like this chopper board or not. And also if you want to purchase this, you can get, but for that you have to go to my Instagram page. Okay, there you can contact me, you can just DM me, I will reply. Okay, so that's it guys.
If anyone want to purchase this, then please follow me in my Instagram, and there you can contact me for this purchase. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you do like this video, please do a like, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And guys, till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then please do it. What you are waiting for?
Stay safe, wear mask, use sanitizer and take care.